Without using logarithmic tables, prove that log 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3. Now, this is LHS part and this is RHS. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is nothing but log 6. Fine. Now, to prove RHS, log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3, you have already know the formula log m plus log n, that is log m into n. If there are 2, if there are 3, then log a plus log b plus log c is equal to log a into b into c. So what I am going to write here? Log 1 into 2 into 3 according to the formula. So LHS part is log 6, RHS part is 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6. So log 6. LHS is equal to RHS. This completes your answer. Such a simple answer.